That vertebra at the top of the neck is in a very critical area where the brain stem, the lower part of the brain, is involved with the regulation of blood pressure. So it's theoretically imaginable that changing the anatomy of that area might have some effect on the regulation of blood pressure.
I'm good.
Be honest here, man.
Fuck it. I'm good.
My bad. I'm good.
I'm the man! I'm good.
Ready? No.
Doctors aren't quite sure how it happened, but a Dubuque man can see clearly tonight after being blind in one eye for more than a decade. KCRG TV9's Dubuque reporter Katie Wiedemann says it happened after a trip to the chiropractor.
He was just not able to even get downstairs.
He was also plagued by debilitating headaches and dizziness. Then, a friend suggested a chiropractor. Tony's leg and bruises had healed, but he was still incapacitated. By doing a simple adjustment on Tony, Dr. Dickholz could restore balance in Tony's body.
Let's talk about little ones first.
Little ones,
because
yeah.
I would have thought that they were born perfect.
And a lot of people do. And it's one of the things for, I guess, over 100 years now, the chiropractor's been checking kids. And one of the things we've noticed is that the birth process itself can cause a bit of trauma.
Right, so it's going through the birth canal sometimes.
I spoke to the pediatrician multiple times about it. She said there was nothing that they could do.
A response both these moms wouldn't accept. So after doing their homework, they found themselves at the door of Dr. Nicole Pearson's chiropractic clinic.
Rosen believes ADHD can start with a misalignment in the spine, which affects the body's balance and ultimately how the brain functions.
Bobby was originally diagnosed with arthritis, but now she says she is pain-free thanks to upper cervical care.
Heat reading to now a normal heat reading.
It's just like a car. If we don't service our car, that thing will actually fall in the road one of these days.
And both women went to neurologists, had MRIs, CAT scans, and were given medications. Nothing worked. They found relief with a painless procedure called orthogono-chiropractic.
I had headaches. I would go to bed with them, and I would wake up with it.
Then she discovered this.
Okay.
Delray Beach chiropractor Dr. Ryan Alter is the only doctor in Palm Beach County who uses this revolutionary tool.
And there's not a person who knows me who will not confirm this if you just ask them. Everybody who sees me, I am walking differently. My pain is less.
When you have a misalignment, as the head deviates on the first bone in the neck, it mechanically compresses the nerve roots at the base of the skull, and that causes you a lot of dysfunction.
My first experience with chiropractic care was right before the 49ers were to play the Bengals in Super Bowl 23. A couple of our players were injured and a chiropractor turned things around.